What's up mga ka-Thunders? Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po pupuntahan natin yung kaibigan ko. Samahan natin siya magtingin ng sakyan. Dahil hindi na daw sila magkasundo nung sakyan niya. Papalitan niya na dahil nagluloko na daw. Nagluloko na daw yung sakyan niya. So samahan po natin siya. Actually, yung usapan namin, alas 10 ng umaga. Kaya lang, alas 10 din ako nagising ng umaga. Kaya late. Kaya, samahan niyo po ako. Tara na, let's go! Thunders, nandito na naman po tayo sa Toyota Dixie. Pangatlo, hindi mahanap-hanap yung gusto niyang sakyan. Ewan ko lang. Hindi available kasi pag hahanapin, hinahanap niya talaga kung ano yung gusto niya. Wow! Kuha ng kulit.
Thinking.
Kunin mo na.
Ayun naman ha.
Sabihin mo, I'm gonna take you, hindi na feeling na thinking. Hindi, kasama na yun. Kasama na yun. Everything is in there. Ano mo na yun? Everything mo na yun. How much? Wala na. Where's Tyler? You're sitting comfortably. Do you like it? Hindi na naman. Wow, perfect.
I think 2,100, so the total about 49 something, I think.
Hindi na umalis si Tyler sa loob.
Yeah, I know.
Gusto niya yan eh.
She likes it.
Buti na lang para sa'yo Toyota, si black. Tyler wants black.
You can buy it for 7,500 plus tax.
Yes, she's buying it. 240 at 280? 280.
Tyler, it's sold.
Tyler, what do you say? Tyler, oh my God, it's your car now. Tyler, it's your car now. What do you say?
Yeah, I have nothing to say.
Nothing to say. Speechless. Hindi, libre na.
Yeah, kitin nila.
Oo. Hindi, pag kinuha, pinikap mo na to, kompleto na.
No test drive. No?
No. Tsaka na.
So we just like now? Yeah, today. You have to process everything.
No, sila na bahala dyan eh. Sila na bahala dyan. Tatawag ka sa insurance mo. Hindi, bababa nga kasi bago eh.
Ano?
Yay! Tyler is so happy. Can I try it too? Yay! You look so happy. Wow! Ganda! Gandara! This is Tyler's new car.
Squishy.
Now your mom is signing up. So
It's only one
guys,
side. It's only the side in the back. That's
so we're here inside the car, Tyler's new car. Yay! So are you happy?
Yeah.
Yay! There you go. Oh, ooh, very nice car. He has a RAV4 XL.
Drive this one.
Yeah. Ganda. So mga ka-Thunders, finally naka-decide. Nakakuha na rin si Jen Jane ng car niya. And it's RAV4 XLE. There you go. Finally, nahanap niya na rin. Nakalibot na po kami ng tatlong Toyota dealer. Napunta na kami sa Toyota Erin Mills, Toyota Maidvale. Dito lang pala sa Dixie makakuha. So ayan po, dami sasakyan. Oh. Ganda rin sa loob.
I got two new things.
Oh wow.
It comes with a light.
Yeah, and it's wider and bigger. Mine is a little bit.
It also blocks the
Yes, I
sun.
have that one too.
It blocks the sun. And
Yeah, that's for sunglasses. Oh, you have this one
it's on
too.
the sunroof as well. Right here. This is
Oh, I think that's the one you have to press
Mhm.
for the sunroof.
if it was on, it would work. It's open, close, up, down.
So they're. So mom is working on the paperwork right now. Wow. You can. Hi guys. Ito ang ganda oh.
XSE.
Ang gandang sasakyan, promise. Land Cruiser. It's very spacious inside. I wish I could get one. Ano? Ito rin, Land Cruiser. Ang ganda.
Your dreams.
Yeah, that's... Oh, Highlander. Yeah, Highlander. Yan ang gusto ko rin. Tingnan mo ang haba niya. Spacious din yan eh. Buksan natin. Nabubuksan ba to? Paano ba to?
Ang bigat.
Woo! Ang taas, grabe.
Ang bigat din eh.
Oo,
Bigat.
ang bigat. Pero hindi siya leather. Wala, hindi siya maisara. Hindi maisara nga.
Oh, that's battery thing.
Ah, okay.
Ay, shoot. That one too.
Wow, very nice. Pero ito talaga gusto ko. Highlander. But this one is sold. Sinara na nila kasi sold yun. Look at inside. Very big.
Si Tyler, di na umalis doon.
Oo nga. Kaya mo siya. Mag-ano siya dun. Taas sa ganda.
Naasas ko sa finance.
Oh, okay. Ganda guys.
Ba't na sa finance?
Pero wala yung ano no, truck.
Ay, ang ganda niya, red.
Oh, red leather. Ay, ang ganda. Yeah. Ganda. It's red leather
Yeah.
with a black.
Interior din, no?
Yeah.
Pati inside. Ganda nito.
Sinara na nila kasi sold out na.
Maganda to.
Ang ganda. Highlander. At di red na naman.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Interior.
The Highland.
I like the interior.
The red seat here.
Yeah. It's nice.
The seat. The red leather.
Higher price covers.
How much is like this?
This is in the
8,
69.
60? Oh, 70. Plus tax. Around 80.
Not 80. It won't go up to 80 because it's an excessive
Loaded.
overseas.
It's nice leather seat.
Very nice, yeah. But,
Interior.
oh, tignan mo yung gulong mo. Look at the...
You come back and meet me. If you need something, just come back and meet me. I'll help you.
Okay.
Trade in mo yung car mo. Sa RAV4. Right here, the red one. Trade in.
No.
Sure, not?
Ganda. Ito maganda to. Ganda. Pang heavy duty talaga.
This is higher, right?
Yeah. When you go to mountains like this, yeah.
Okay.
Camping and stuff like that.
But this is heavy to drive.
Ha?
Heavy.
No. Okay lang.
Ito gusto ko.
Ito talaga Highlander gusto ko. Kaya lang ang laki, ang haba.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Guys, ang ganda. Sasakyan, promise. Forerunner, mga katanders. Ang laking sasakyan. Buti nga hindi nila pinagbabawal. So,
You have that the green seat.
ganda. Laki ng gulong. Oh, ganda. So, mga katanders, successful nakabili na si Johnny Jane ng sasakyan niya. Yes. Dito lang po kami nakaano sa Toyota Dixie. Dito lang namin nahanap. So, naglibot-libot kami ng mga Toyota, ganun. Galing kami ng Erin Mills, galing kami ng Medivale. Ngayon, dito lang pala kami sa Dixie makakuha ng Toyota RAV4. Ang ganda. Congratulations! So, mga katanders, nandito na naman po tayo. Kakain daw po tayo. Dito tayo sa Chinese store. Ay, Chinese. Parang, tag dito? Parang Chinese na pagkain. Ganun. Nandito tayo sa Eastgate ngayon. Si Tyler ayaw bumaba. Meron doon bubble tea. Doon bubble tea. Hindi, parehas lang yun doon. Mas mura pa nga doon. Let's go. Meron din dito mga taho.
rin pala. Adobo grill dito?
Bless you.
Choose what you want. Fried rice only? Get a combo.
Get do you want fried rice with pork chop?
Yeah, with combo.
Tyler has a new car. Wow.
A toy car.
Right after ng kailangan
Yours is
kumain
this
para
one.
mas masaya.
Ang nagutom.
Yan.
Wait a minute. Let's unboxing. That's yours.
Look at
Ah,
that.
this is yours.
Look at that. Oh, mine is fried rice with pork chop.
Oh. Here.
Tingnan niyo po yung food namin. Maapaw. Liglig.
Kuling na.
Grabe, ang dami. Ganyan po sila pag nag-serve dito. Ang dami. Ayan. Siksik liglig. Ayan,
For
siksik liglig.
$12.
$12. Is it $12? Oh,
$11.
$11 po. Grabe.